Hello, I'm Douglas Pañares of Filipino Homes. The resort amenities of Amalfi Oasis in Città di Mare by Felinvest at SRP Cebu City. This is part 2 of 3 PowerPoints. As for the other 2 beneficial presentations. Part 1 of 3, Rent to Own and Move In Right Away. 5% down payment and 95% balance payable in 60 months. No interest. And Part 3 of 3, 365 days of exciting events from dawn until midnight at El Corso in SRP Cebu City. Contact Douglas Ed Pañares. Phone 63915-842-6920. Email docpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.